Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can create Figma account in 2025. So it will be a quick tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here actually you can see we are already landed in Figma platform, and here if you want to create an account you just need to click over here, get started for free. Once you click over here, then they will give you the options or a pop-up will become. So here we have two options. We can go with this continue with Google option. This is the simplest one, or you can go with the email by manually. Just go to the main box. Once I go over here, then I will create an I will just copy the address and then I will paste it here, and let's just continue with this one. And here you just need to provide your password. Just provide a password over that place, and when it's done, just click to the login. Once you click over here, login with Google or reset your password. So we already have an account in here, so you just need to click on reset password, but you can go with continue with Google options to create an account. Just select your account address and then click to the continue, and it will redirect you to the Figma platform. So this is the easiest way to create a Figma account. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.